Oh, we ready for the pool party, huh?
Bitch. Bad bitch. Bad bitch.
It's Vito, baby.
Rock me, baby.
Well, how do you like it?
Yeah. Honestly, I can tell that you're frustrated. Been a minute since you dated. Oh, you don't know who to get that pussy to. If he fucking with you or just fucking you. Trust me, I'm focused. You need to come, girl, I've noticed. You got a mouth with your mean ass. Sometimes you can act like a bitch, but I know you don't mean it. I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC, long dick and Hennessy. Yeah, that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know, let me know. I know girls can never say they want it. Girls can never say now. Shawty, just tell me you want it. Baby, just let that shit out. Yeah, here you go. Mid conversation, you hang up the phone. You talk that shit, but I know what you want, girl. You just need something. You just need some love. Tired of fucking with you lame niggas, baby. You just need a love. You just need some head in the shower, or maybe back shots in the shower. I love it when you open it up. Had that pussy looking like a flower. Hey, you need some love. Hey, you need to be fucked. Ooh, you need some love, baby. You need some love. I know you see a nigga texting you, see me on red like I wasn't just with you. But you get upset when I do that shit to you. Nigga, I only do it cause I know we get to you. Yeah. Look at you trying to start a fight about this shit. You ain't even let me get you, let you go. Baby, do better. Don't let me get you together. Turn up your phone, I'll use my tongue. I'll eat it all night. When I go to I slow it down just as I use my phone. Shawty, I'm a real freak nigga. Eat it good, make you wanna keep it. Lock me down, release a nigga. It's okay to speak your mind, yeah. Oh, I know girls can never say they want it. Girls can never say now. Shawty, just tell me you want it. Baby, just let that shit out. Yeah, here you go. Mid conversation, you hang up the phone. You talk that shit, but I know what you want, girl. You just need something. You just need some love. Tired of fucking with you lame niggas, baby. You just need a love. You just need some head in the shower, or maybe back shots in the shower. I love it when you open it up. Had that pussy looking like a flower. Yeah, hey, you need some love. Hey, you need to be fucked. Ooh. You need some love, baby. Come get this love. You just need something. Raindrops, drop top. Smoking on cooking a hot box. Fucking on your bitch, shit, thought. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, bruh. I don't trust nobody, get the I love the gang and they come for ya. My bitch is bad and bougie. Cooking up dope with the Uzi. My hit is a savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. So my bitch is bad and bougie. Cooking up dope with the Uzi. My hit is a savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Well, it well. Rackets on rackets, got backings on backings. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls lows. Then hop in the frog. I tell that bitch it could come for me. Swear all these haters is under me. They hating the devil, keep jumping me. Bankrolls on me, keep me company. Hey, need the moves. Pull up the know the diamond's cold. It's a rollie, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send that bitch an Uber. Young rich plus I'm bougie. Tryna make my life a movie. Raindrops, drop top. Smoking on cooking a hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, bruh. I don't trust nobody, grip the call up the gang and they come for you. Climb here, ever give you my bitch is bad and bougie. Whipping up dope with the Uzi. My hit is a savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bougie. Cooking up dope with the Uzi. My hit is a savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Don't know nobody, on nobody. Always on the job, I got no hobby. Got my city fucking with me, cause I'm home.